If you're watching this, you're already in motion. You have an idea. You may even have a prototype. Maybe you've already spent money, or maybe you're about to. And right now, you're telling yourself something like, I'll get expert feedback later. We'll just see how it goes. Or it'll be fine. That is the moment where most products go off the rails. Not because your idea is bad, not because you're not capable. It's because the small design and manufacturing mistakes compound, and no one stops to evaluate them. Once your tooling is cut, once your inventory is ordered, you're committed. It's no longer a design tweak, it's a very expensive lesson. I'm a mechanical engineer with a degree from Purdue University. I've worked as a senior mechanical engineer in the automotive and aerospace industry. When you make mistakes here, you can shut down assembly lines and ground aircraft. I've also been on the other side. As an entrepreneur, I have designed, developed, patented, and manufactured physical products that I have brought to market. This all starts with a free 15-minute consultation where you tell me your idea and we discuss if what I can offer is going to be of benefit to you. I've dealt with tooling, I've dealt with margins, and I've dealt with real risk. So when I review a product, I'm not looking at it academically. I'm looking at it as an engineer who understands manufacturing reality and an entrepreneur who understands financial reality. My focus is on mechanical design and manufacturing readiness, not theory, not motivation, not vague advice. I look at your idea, I look at your CAD, I look at your prototype, and I evaluate from there. I go over your assumptions and look at it through one lens. Here's how this works. First, you sign up for my coaching. Then you send me everything confidentially. This includes design files, photos, videos, or notes. Will this survive real-world use cases, manufacturing, production suppliers? Will this scale without bleeding time and money? I review it in a way that a design engineer, a tooling vendor, and a project manager would look at it. I look at it from a cost analysis standpoint and give you my suggestions, along with giving you questions that you can ask the people you're working with. I then prepare a written evaluation, not generic feedback, but a structured assessment of design risk, manufacturing risk, tolerance stack issues, and material assumptions, assembly complications, and cost drivers. I also look at over-engineering and under-engineering. The goal is to find the hidden problems that don't show up until later. Then you or your team meet with me on a video call where I go through the findings. We go through the assessment line by line. You ask questions, we challenge assumptions. We clarify what needs to change now versus what can wait till later. We look at what's solid, and we look at what might break at scale. When we're done, you don't just feel better, but you have a better idea where you stand. Because here's the truth that most people won't tell you. The most dangerous phase of product design is when it looks done, but it isn't. Most founders wait until something goes wrong. Your tooling comes back at 3 times the price, or you end up having to recut tooling. Parts don't fit, assemblies take too long, and your margins disappear. At this point, you go looking for help. Your options shrink, your costs rise, and your leverage disappears. The best time to get experienced eyes looking on your product is before you're locked in, before tooling, before inventory, and before your mistakes turn into steel. The longer you wait to deal with your problems, the more you're going to have to address manufacturing delays, market changes, and your entire plan just not working out as expected. I have seen too many great ideas never make a profit because the market dynamics have changed by time it's actually introduced to the public. So sign up, send me what you have, and I'll take a look at it. Because the cost of knowing is almost always way less than the cost of waiting. If you're serious about your product, you shouldn't be watching this. We should already be working together.